office of the President, Vice President, kung ano-ano pinagtatanong nyo sa kanya. These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, ba't nangyari po nung nakarat, nangyayari na naman ngayon?
We are talking of the office, not the person.
Motion was introduced.
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President. And that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding that tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, may bratinela pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Panglabing 7 taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Di Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kaagad eh. Walang man lang...
We can read the records. No, we did not introduce.
Nag-motion siya ngayon.
What is
Parliamentary muna. Parliamentary muna. That is just, the first thing is, that is the manifestation of Congressman Dante Marcoleta, and it should be answered by the members. If the motion, then after that, Marcoleta will move that motion. Hindi pa nga nasagot eh. Will we let just Marcoleta to speak? And then move for a motion? Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna
Okay,
yung point niya.
the chair will answer.
yes, you can introduce a motion, but have a member introduce it.
No. Before we move a motion, parliamentary lang ka.
The rulings of the chair form part of the precedence of this committee and of the House. So you have to answer the question.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then saka mag-move. Kung may
Yun.
mag-move.
Oo. Okay, settle. Yes. Rulings of the chair form parts of the rules because it will set a precedent. So if we will set a precedent now that we are discarding traditional parliamentary courtesy, then goodbye parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next hearings.
Dahil sila dapat members answer your query or your manifestation. Then,
Anong member, chairman na tinatanong ko? Pira naman natin.